So US Foods is a food service distributor that basically covers the United States, servicing customers from independent restaurants down through hospitals, nursing care. Anybody that's basically in the restaurant business is typically buying from us. So at US Foods we had older systems, and we had a distributed procurement and buying process. We recently made a strategic decision to actually centralize and look at consolidating that buying practice and create a center of excellence around procurement. And to do that, we didn't have the software in place to support that. So we looked at JDA and looked at their solution around fulfillment and demand, and basically made a decision to go with JDA as the solution for us for that particular software. So as we got into the project, we basically faced a couple of different issues that came quickly to our attention. One was the fact that the business needed a quicker than we could deliver from an IT perspective, a solution or a working solution to kind of get their hands around the product and understand some of the complexity and additional capabilities that they would drive out of this solution that was selected with JDA forecasting and demand. And with that, we basically we had that challenge, plus we had the challenge of not having some training environment or being able to start to develop our training material, because we were on an extremely tight timeline to deliver within 6 months a package for a $20 billion company to basically go out and forecast and demand and manage our vendors in our procurement process. So with that, we were kind of confronted with that issue, and we talked to our partners at JDA, and they came up with an idea and a concept to use a solution out of the cloud services area called iLab at the time. This allowed us basically to get that solution into our end users' hands with our data in a quick and timely fashion. And in that process, it basically saved us over 5 to 8 weeks within our current project, and thus helped us meet our deadlines that we were pushing for to get that project into production state. So with the cloud services team, they were able to come in and within basically a week stand up a working system for us. And then within a few weeks after that, we had our data actually flowing into that solution. So it was very quick, responsive for that team to come in and bring those services, for us in our use. As we move our systems forward into a production state, they're going to be our managed services partners. So they actually are going to come in with that cloud service team and support both the framework of the system itself as well as the underlying technology that's driving our solution. So one of our key mantras within US Foods is to make it easy for our customers, our vendors, as well as our business partners. And so the business partners, our business side of the team, has basically seen this as a key success factor in them being able to deliver within their timelines, as well as drive some additional knowledge into the organization in a quicker and more efficient fashion than they would have been in the past. So with the JDA Cloud Services, it is truly a sense of transparency. We feel that what's being provided by JDA is within our world, and we have feel that they're part of the team for delivery of that key service to US Foods.